And then one day Makaran Deshpande saw me and said, "तू क्यों बैठता है यहाँ पे रोज यार?" So I said, "Sir,
So you didn't even go approach anyone. You just sat and watched.
I was like
Yeah.
a shy boy, man.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm still that person
Yeah.
to a large degree, but
Right.
मेरा मुंह नहीं खुलता था यार. That's why I became an actor, because I felt so boring.
Avatar switches, is it?
Yeah, I come alive, you know. Otherwise, I'm very shy and very introverted. And
I'm like that in the bedroom. I'm
how
totally
did he
different.
just take it there?
Moment I'm in the bedroom,
Guys,
and there's no one with me.
It's
I'm different guy.
10:45 in the morning, but the way his brain is firing, my God.
What I feel really bad is you're really opening it up and I'm killing the moment. I mean, you just
I'm
talked
like,
about sense memory, moment,
But
living in the moment.
that was great. That was
Yeah.
an excellent
So
transition.
unnecessary. So unnecessary.
Perfect transition.
It's a beautiful story. I shouldn't talk.
No,
Tell
I
us
know.
more.
Please
Mac
throw in
looks
the
at you.
Mac looks at me and Mac's like, "Bro, come join me." But I start flexing there on the मैंने theater किया है Johns Hopkins में. He said, "I don't give a shit about any of
What a
that."
racist. Mac to racist है.
Mac, Mac, no, I love
John
Mac.
Hopkins का नाम
Yeah,
सुन
Mac.
के बोला Mac, what is this rubbish?
Mac, I love you, okay?
Yeah.
I love you.
Yeah.
So he said कि तू backstage करेगा. So
That's the usual.
I said, sure, man. So I did sound, I did backstage until one night he comes to me and I think we were in what is that Guwahati में क्या है वो Circus House. We were doing a play there and he said कि one of the actors fell ill. तो he said आज का जो बॉयफ्रेंड का रोल है अक्षय करेगा. सबके सामने से कह दिया उन्होंने. And I was like, what?
You knew the role.
I knew that play backwards, man. You could throw me in any part. I knew that play
Huh.
backwards. I don't know how he knew that I knew the play, but I knew that I knew everyone's
Are you
lines.
the type of guy who says the lines when you're backstage?
Oh yeah, fully.
Of all the characters?
Every character.
Yeah, obviously he'll know, yeah.
Every
He's
character.
irritating the crap out of some of the guys whose minds are not on the job.
Man, there was a lovely actor. Unfortunately, he was a drunk, so he doesn't remember. So I could get away with it. Lovely actor, even working today. He's sobered up, which is great. But
You can't take his name?
No.
But अब तो ठीक है ना?
नहीं, छोड़ना रे.
Please,
So
yeah,
he was
click
doing
मिलेगा हमको.
he was doing
We'll
sound
show the
with
picture
me.
also before after.
छोड़ना.
Oscar goes to.
Oh man, that'd be terrible. So
he'll get exposure, yeah. This will go viral.
मत कर यार. बेचारा he fought.
He'll be cast.
Yeah,
Sharabi. The remake.
If you know who I'm talking about, I love you.
Oh,
Okay.
Too much.
Yeah. So yeah, he was doing sound but I knew वो अपने होश आवाज में नहीं है. So I used to just do everyone's lines back there and do it in my own way. Eventually, so I did the play,
So how was that performance? Because you're going cold.
Yeah.
I mean, I know you know the lines, but you're still going cold.
I got my first film from there. So somewhere worked something.
वो एक play से, एक performance से.
छोटे से role से यार.
Wow.
Because then that play came to
You
Bombay.
came back to Bombay and you kept the role.
And I kept the role.
So must be a decent role then also. People saw you.
It was a smallish role in that first one. It was the one that I'm talking about. That first play
This is
was
a comedy?
smallish role. This was Miss Beautiful. It was a play.
Dramedy.
It was a dramedy kind of thing. Yeah. Nicely, I mean, beautifully written.
So then take us. So then somebody saw you in Prithvi. Now you're doing
So now I did the play. The play's come to Bombay. I did the play. This particular play. And then I went on and did some more. But this particular play, then there was somebody from Rajshri Productions whose friend was in the audience. So Mr. P.K. Gupta, sir, who, anyone who knows Rajshri Productions.
Sorry, but we just discussed a guy who's drunk and the next guy's name is P.K. Sorry, my mind had to ADHD.
This is why you run a podcast.
No, I'm just saying, boss, you just don't make it. Iska halat aisa tha, and then the next guy who probably played a good role.
I'm very impressed, brother.
This is a karma here.
I'm very
so
impressed.
The two guys who played a role now in your life, if this from a karma point of view, एक बंदा है who's a PK issue.
He's a PK
and
issue.
Because PK issue, you get the role.
I get the role.
Then PK Gupta watches you. PK Gupta goes to Rajshri and says, boss, इसमें कुछ है. So PK and PK have come together and you become a star.
This is wild, brother. This is wild. But now I know why that film was a flop. Because all these drunkards were supporting me. सब साले पी के दारू पी बोला इसको हीरो बनाते पिक्चर ऐसी पिटी but yeah that's how I got my first film.